Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to add your own sound on TikTok. So if you wanna keep your own original sound on your TikTok videos for others to use without a piece of music or something like this from the TikTok application itself, what you guys need to do is to make sure to edit your own video before posting it. So for example, edit your video using Canva or CapCut, which they are free by the way, and then use your own music or sound effects or your voiceover or anything you want. And after that you guys finish, then you can go back to your TikTok app and from over here click on the plus icon so you can post your video. And after you choose the video you already edit with your own sound, and now from over here you can add text or anything else. But if you want to keep your own original sound on your TikTok video, make sure to not click on add songs at the top corner. Because if you did add a music from the TikTok app itself, you will lose your own original sound of your video. So after you finish, just click on next and then post your video. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can add your own sound on TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, take care, until next time.